asuntoskeittiö Kulmakatu.
Yeah, today it's 8th of February 2021. We have Kulmakatu Liikkeelgatan 6 Stekise here in Kulmakatu, Helsinki, Finland. Now we have also just been to the Stekise B here, which has a very special elevator. It seems that the Stekise B was formerly a small industrial building that was converted into apartments in the late 1980s. But the elevator was still preserved original.
Yeah.
So in Stekise B there is still an industrial one. It's very rare in Finland. The fourth floor here, this was built in 1938. It's turning 85 years old in 2023 and it's going to be inspected again. SIN number is H2630 because these pretty persons are 2.5 grams. And here of course, you have to watch the Stekise B here, it is very special. Yeah, but it's too slow, but it's amazing.
Yeah.
That's right, this one, which is for only 4 floors.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'll press the button here. Another beautiful one in Kulmakatu.
Yeah.
Kulmakatu, one of the best ones.
Yeah. Parkki vai maintain part of service.
We will need to turn the light, okay.
Ah. Oh, yeah.
Well, I can have a look at the call button. Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes. Alright. Let's go back to the first floor. And it is also in Swedish here, just as it has to be.
Yeah.
This one was cozy. I like the sounds in here.
Same.
Yeah. Okay, now thank you very much for watching. That's it. And of course, please also watch Stekise B again. It is very special.
That's